Hi, my name is Neil Mathias, and I wanted to share some thoughts on Gold Path Solar and my process for putting solar on my house. I've been in the real estate industry for 23, 24 years. I've followed the kind of evolution and path. I've had a number of customers that have had poor experiences and also been seen what's been related to real estate sales involved solar systems. So I had some apprehensions and some concerns. However, looking into it further and speaking with Jake and the Gold Path team, as well as with a couple of neighbors who had recently used their services, it came to light that it really comes down to the contractor that you use and the system that you get installed. So I ran the numbers, looked at everything, and was happy with the payback period. So I had the system installed. We've been running for about 2 months now. And even though it's the winter and we've got less solar coming in, the system is performing flawlessly. Communication with Jake and his team was great. They followed through on their promises. And all in all, I'm a happy customer at this point. So thanks, Jake. Thanks, Gold Path. And look forward to years of free or reduced energy costs.